everyone, welcome to another day of the daily Balbani challenge. This is Ali and I'm very glad to see you in here. Today, as you can see, let's review some works that we do on the day 28, and we're just doing recon, and that's cool. Let's check the notes. On the notes, we going to work on the business assets, and they are other assets like payments, APIs, mobile applications, and we're going to work on them in the flow. And okay, let's get started and doing the job. Before that, just let me to check the okay, it's cool, and sorry, let's check this one. Okay, we get back in here, and where we were, we worked on this domain. So let's going to in here. I'm going to talk about this on the next live. So let's get out there. Okay, I just need to find another. Okay, this is the browser that we're going to work on it. Okay, as you can see in here, let me show you what can we do. As you know, we work on some phase of the recon, and in the next steps, I'm going to check what if I'm going to okay. In the previous days, accept all the cookies, doing recon, and in the run phase, what we do, we're doing the subdomains. In this phase, I'm going to do some application mapping that may be helpful for us. What is that? Let's show you. In the application mapping phase, we are on a specific subdomains that we're going to work on these specific domains. For this, we're going to install the verb.js link finder, and another extension that we're going to add is that we need to find out that one. It's the reflector, and if two of them is going to enabled, and let's get back in here and see what we should do. This is very important in the application mapping. I think it's cool to tell you this one, and don't waste your time in other ways like this one. Every day I'm going to tell you something about the approach I'm going to arrive to the endpoint. And okay, let's get back in here and refresh. Sorry. Okay, everything is cool. The very first step in here is to act like a normal user. As you can see in here, we can see open all the links and see what happened in here, and just open each by each and see what if we trying to click on all the links. And this is the main, I don't know why my camera have lags, but sorry for the lag. Going to fix it and continue the record. So I think it's better for now, and let's check what happen if I try to open all the links. As you can see, so let's skip this one and try to open this with the login. How can I open in new tab? It doesn't have that option. Okay, it doesn't matter. And we have we can create account and see the orders and the stamps, need help, gift cards, become a courier, Thunderbird for business, ties and toys. I can spell that. It's cool, but for business. And let's check only. Okay, it doesn't show anything to us because of this approach, and it's cool. Customer service and courier gift cards and amounts. What the heck? I think it's going to. Okay, as you can see in here, after open up this page and going to business, redirect to business with a slash, and the courier. Please have some referral and mini site, and okay, e-partner sign up, and it's cool. Config acquisitions on board. Okay, it's cool. And okay, in the login, return URL if connect, authorized callback. Let's see this in the connect, authorized callback, client ID, customer web JE, redirect URL. Okay, return URL. Okay, this is cool. We can send it to the repeater and see what exactly happened in here. And when we're going to the login and send this one, it's going to be okay. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. Let's continue to search. quantity, okay, digital and birthday. Okay, add to cart. And after we're trying to continue to check out your cart, I just want trying to find the endpoint that gift cards and cards. Okay, this is a cool endpoint. Let's check. Is there any? What the heck? Sorry. Productions and okay. Okay. What if variables and this is cool, this is very cool, and I just look for the I don't know why this happened. I just wanted to see the I think I should unhide this. Check why this happened in the icon, and it's cool. And as you can see in here, after trying to open this link with the Chromium and Chrome, let's check what happened in here. Verifying you're human, this take a few seconds, and okay, that's cool, but what happened? Why you're not verifying me? That's it, the approach. So let's check what happened in here and then get back. I've been trying to do something that I think maybe it's helpful, but sorry for the interrupt. Let's close the Discord to don't have any interrupt, and in the debugger and in checkout cart, and in here we don't have anything either, and get back to HTTP proxy and see what we have in here. And in the reflexor, okay, event log and error. That's not what we accepted, but let's get continue and see what we can do either. And let's continue, and in the backyard see the proxy and see what and find out what happened exactly. Okay, this is a good endpoint, and let's copy this endpoint, and sorry, let's copy this. Let's copy this endpoint and see and add it to the cherry tree, and in the business assets add a subnode with this name, and after that, as you can see, we have a path in here. We're going to work on it later, and this is good. We're going to continue and see what we have in the continuance of this process. This is the become a courier and your city, Amsterdam, like, and select the location 20. Okay, and 26 and Homburg, your hospital car. Okay. It's fantastic. Apply and see what we have in here. And we just trying to click and see all the endpoints, and in the backyard see the proxy that goes and get and goes, and see what exactly happened in here. And in the Amsterdam, in here, I'm going to select a location that is okay. What if we trying to what you need before courier? Okay. 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 It's going to be test, and the X was there. Sign bug crowd ninja.com, and the font is something like this. And okay, I wanted to see is there, if, as you can see, when before sending the data, the web application shows us the I think Amsterdam and cafe. I don't know. I just looking for a valid phone number to see, to find out the correct phone number in here, and I hope this is to be good. And after that, so as you can see, there is no phone number. Let's choose another one and call. Yes. Yes, yes. This is the phone number that I'm looking for, and it's great. Sorry. I'm going to proceed. We have a few more questions. Where you referred? Did someone refer you? We're going to answer this and proceed again. Tell that this is incorrect. Are you above? Okay. And partial. As you can see, the requirement is going okay. And okay. Finish up, and I just wanted to see if I can access directly to the, oh shit, what happened in here? Oh no, looks like currently plenty of couriers running. Don't worry now, clear the list. Oh, it's fantastic. But I think it's a good endpoint like this one. Okay, we have an takeaway recruitment. Okay, it doesn't even. Oh, I think this is a third party, but let's get to the repeater and send it again and see what happened exactly in here. Okay, and referred by someone, and the latest step. Okay, city option, mini site referral. I wanted to see. Okay, that it's cool, but can we get nope, post again, nope, apply post. When we trying to career mini site, and let's see exactly what happened in here. And okay, it's cool. And see what happened in here if we're going to open this link quickly and see what happened. Why it is getting my email, but don't use this in any where. Let's search for the story dx. What the heck was, and let's check what. Okay, there's nothing in here, and it's a good API, and I think it's cool, work on it, but in other access allow. Oh, let's check that we have a course in here or not. Sorry for the interrupt. Let's check this is going to work or not, but as you can see, before anything we should apply that is owned by the takeaway and not anywhere else. El Nino production. I think this is a third party. And what if I'm going to open the API and see what is in here? And nothing in here, but it's behind of the CDN. And what exactly happened in here? And what if we're trying to do directory discovery, and if it's going to work, I'm very glad to do that, but after that I just need to again, how can we apply that this sorry how can we apply that this is how can I tell that owned by some. Okay, as I can see in here, I think this domain is belonging to some program or something like this that is not okay. Let's see what we can do. El Nino production. It doesn't matter. Let's open this clear. Okay. I think we should continue on this, but I'm going to copy this endpoint and again and in here and check for later, because in the first way of the approach is to doing just and act like a normal user, and we should depends on that and stick to them. Sorry. The meal benefits hybrid team, get a start, book your demo, and it's cool, and contact us. Okay. Speak with the corporate responsible, and you